Hi everybody, I'm Leah Williams. We're here in my kitchen and I thought I'd share with you one of my favorite summer salads. I had an opportunity to travel to Spain, which was absolutely beautiful, and I loved it. And they are known for amazing food. And one of my favorite salads ever I discovered in Spain. I continue to make it to this day, and it's a favorite especially in summertime, so I thought this afternoon I would make it for you. It's very simple, and you probably could easily keep these ingredients in your fridge most of the time. So I'll simply walk you through. Basically, it's a spinach and arugula salad, a little bit of chicken if you want some protein, and then just a very lightweight lemon vinaigrette dressing, but it's delicious. So what you're gonna need will be spinach and arugula. Now, if you have other greens that you like, you can certainly change those out, but you will also need fennel. If you don't know fennel, it's not a root vegetable, but it is a vegetable that has a bit of almost a licorice taste to it. So that's delicious. It adds a little bite to your salad. So you're gonna need that. Grilled chicken, we've got that. Avocados will go in this salad, and then you're gonna need lemons. You're gonna need extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and then salt, pepper, and I'll tell you the fun little ingredient at the end. All right. Oh, one last thing. In Spain, they made the salad with a delicious sheep's milk cheese. And so that's what I'm gonna use today, but whatever your favorite sort of semi-hard creamy cheese with a bit of a punch, kind of a nutty flavor, works really well with the salad. So let's get started. It's really simple. I start with my greens, and basically I mix it up depending upon what I'm doing. If it's just for me, I mix it right in the bowl I'm going to eat it in. If I'm doing it for a crowd, I mix it in a big bowl, and then I usually will slice the chicken, leave it on the side, and people can add if they want to. So we'll start with our spinach greens, and I like to just give them just like a little rough chop. I don't, need them too small, but just enough. I like a lot of my salad to protein ratio. I like to be on the higher end. Then I'm gonna take my arugula, pre-wash it, and I put it in my containers and have it ready to go in the fridge. Now your fennel, what you're gonna do is cut the stems off, and then what I like to do is cut the center out, and then it leaves me with kind of like an onion, so that then I can slice it, and I like to slice mine into strips. So chopping up my fennel, that's going in. And then next, I'm gonna take my avocado, and a nice ripe one, so it's nice and soft. And I usually like to take it in half, take the pit out. I go around the avocado itself with a spoon. So I take my avocado and I simply slice that lengthwise. Then I'm going to take my grilled chicken. And as I said, you can grill your chicken yourself, keep it in the fridge. So I'm just slicing up my grilled chicken. I do like to make those, I typically slice lengthwise, and then I go in half so that the pieces are kind of bite-sized. And that's going into my salad. Then I'm going to take my goat's milk cheese. I'm gonna just have a few with my cheese slicer here, right on top. All right, and then in a little, you can do it in a little bowl, a little jar, whatever you'd like. This is gonna be your salad dressing. I take a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, good balsamic vinegar, add that to the mix. I'm gonna do some ground pepper, that, salt, and I'm gonna give that a good mix. And then, to add to that, I'm gonna take lemon. And I just sliced it in half, and I'm gonna take some of the juice of that lemon and put it into my salad dressing. And then the little secret ingredient, a couple pinches of sugar. And a little bit doesn't hurt, but it does just give the dressing this wonderful finish. So I'm just pouring that vinaigrette over the salad. And then I take that same lemon and I just do one last little spritz over the top. And then I simply take my tongs Mix it all together, and ta-da, lunch is done. And it's delicious, it's refreshing, especially in the summertime. It's really easy to make. You can change it up if you'd like, but it's also something that you can feel good about eating. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you'll try it. And if you do, I hope you'll let me know what you think. All right, thanks, bye.